What up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so subscribe and thumbs up this video, and also if you like this video, share the video, and let's get into this review because I am gonna be reviewing oil, another kind of hot yet good oil. It can be good, it can be bad, it depending on how you use it. Alright, so let's get into this video. So I'm gonna be reviewing this oil. Can you see that? Okay, the oil says Army White Serum Ultra Whites. Serum Ultra Whites is clear seasons. It's from Paris. Like all the oil and all of that, they're actually made from Paris, and lotion and all of that. Okay, so this oil is an hot oil, just like I made a review on this oil, particular oil. I've forgotten the name right now. I've made so much review on oil. Alright, so, and I told you guys that the oil is an hot oil. Look at how the consistency is. Like, it's not a very, look at it, the consistency is kind of really thick. Oops. So I have to take that back. Okay, the consistency is kind of really thick. Why I said it is an hot oil is that when applied to the skin, have you ever used an oil, like mere touching it on your skin like that, you're just going to feel the heat, like you're just going to feel the hotness of the oil on your skin. That is what is happening to my skin right now on this place that I applied the oil. It's so hot. Alright, now this hot serum can be very good in whitening up the skin, lightening and brightening up the skin. That's if you want to lighten up or brighten up your skin. The hot oil can be very good. Okay, but yes, the hot oil can also be very damaging to the skin and very bad, give you dark spots, give you pigmentation, dark knuckles. Now if you use it the wrong way. There are ways you use this oil and it's going to be so flawless, so good on the skin, and there are ways you use it that it's just going to damage your skin, like seriously. Okay, because when you use hot oil like this and you go under the sun, you know what will happen to your skin? Like your face, like from your face, especially if you're black, as from this other side, is just going to begin to get red, like really red and kind of cutting, okay, when you're under the sun. But when you continue it, if you notice that and you don't discontinue, or you don't like get yourself out of the sun, when it keeps happening like that, you notice that with time that particular place that is really red will turn black. Now the oil is still freaking hot on my skin, like really hot. Like seriously, I can't even use hot oil on my skin, especially serum, hot serum. So many ladies do, so many ladies use it, so many ladies want like a 3 days lightening, whitening or brightening process and all of that stuff. So if you're among those ladies who want that kind of brightening stuff, fine, you can use Army White. But I would give you this advice: if you want to use Army White serum, don't go under the sun at all. Like go under like from in the morning till 12. Alright, from 1 till 4 o'clock you have to stay away from the sun. That is the only way that this oil is going to be good on you. But if you're just like me, who goes under the sun to buy stuff, to the market, to visit, to the bank and all of that stuff, I mean, you can't afford to use this oil, okay, because it's just going to spoil your skin. Like, it's going to give you dark spot, it's going to bring sunburn. You know, some people say that black don't have sunburn. Blacks too experience sunburn because the skin too is sensitive. Some of the cells on the skin would die when you're excessively exposed to the sun, and that would lead to sunburn. Okay, so if you must use Army White, you have to use it with style, and you have to use little quantity, not so much. All right, so it can work gradually on your skin, all right, and not so little too, so you don't be like, oh, I'm not even seeing any difference and all of that. Alright, because this oil is really hot. As much as it is hot, it's also really good for a cool weather. Now if you're in that weather of rainy season where the whole environment will be cool, cozy, there is no sun, even if there's sun, the sun is not hot, those are the times in which you can, you know, use this oil, and it's going to be perfect on your skin. Like seriously, when I went to the shop and I saw this oil, I'm like, ooh, I know this oil. I said, okay, let me just take it, you know, come here to like make a review. If you've used the oil, let me know how it is or how it was on you, because it really does whiten up the skin, okay? But not all whitening oil are just going to be very friendly on the skin. Some are friendly when you use it well. Some, if you use it carelessly or you don't know the rules of using those kind of oil, it turns your skin into something else. Because I've received so many mails, so many, you know, comments on my website, you know, sending me all manner of pictures and be like, oh, this is how I was, you know, some months back or some years back. I was fairer, I was more flawless, my skin was glowing and all of that, and now I use a particular thing that my friend prescribed for me, or I use a particular oil that, you know, turned me into this and all of that. So sometimes it's not just by, you know, someone prescribe a cream for you or an oil. You have to know how well or how good is that oil going to be on your skin, okay? Because for me right now, I am so skeptical in using things like this, but nonetheless I am not saying that this oil is not good, okay? It does the job that it is meant to do, which is to whiten up the skin and to brighten up the skin like really crazy, okay? But of course, you know, any oil that does that is not really friendly on the skin, I don't really go with that, because I don't even want to lose my beautiful skin. Okay, so that's it. And this oils also, if you are exposed to the sun, might end up giving you dark knuckles, and those are the things that I really fear so much when it comes to, you know, skin. I don't like it. I hate my skin to look, you know, uneven. I love even skin, like even skin tone. Alright, so you guys know now. I love natural. I do natural a lot, use natural stuff and all of that. So alright, so if you don't know my natural beauty channel, I'm going to be leaving the link at the description box so you guys can go and check that channel out, alright, and check for some natural good oil, some good treatments to lighten up the skin and all of that, okay? Trust me, that's why that most people would leave the comments at the comment section and be like, why are you so obsessed about lightening up your skin? Why are you so obsessed about talking about lightening cream and lightening whitening stuff and all of that? Of course, if I talk about 100 cream, I can only use one, right? I only use one, so most of you guys know that. So it's not that I'm talking about it, I'm just giving out my knowledge to you guys and giving and showing you some of those things, okay? So you guys can know, also telling you the good and bad of it and all of that, okay? So that will just be it. That will wrap up today's review. I hope you do find this video interesting. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Peace.